How would you like a skincare product that is so easy to use? I'm talking one and done, and guess what? Under 10 bucks. I'm telling you, I am so in love with this. I can't wait to tell you about it. You know, I love bringing you fashion and beauty, skincare, all of those things. You know, I have a new video every single week, right? But if I can find something that is super affordable, I get so excited about this. I don't think this is new, but this is new to me. And it's the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Oil. And it's a face moisturizing oil. Oh my gosh, I am in love. I will leave you a link in the description below this video so you can find it and you can make sure that you're getting it at the best price, but under 10 bucks. And you know what? Palmer's is not new to any of us. If you've ever been pregnant or had super dry skin, all of our mothers have been telling us to use Palmer's cocoa butter on stretch marks and for dry skin for years. But the skin therapy oil, pretty new to me, but if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you've probably already heard me talk about this. And one bottle of this is lasting me about 2 months. So this is about my third, maybe my fourth bottle. I'm loving this. And if you have really oily skin like I do, really oily skin at 54, you're gonna have to figure out kind of the amount that works for you. I'm using less in the morning than I am at night, and I'm using this all over my face, around my eyes, my neck, my décolleté. So again, I'm using more at night, obviously, before I go to bed. But if you have drier skin, it will probably soak in a little bit better for you. Super oily skin, you're gonna have to play around and decide kind of the amount that works best for you. I'm guessing, wipe this off my hand, you're probably gonna use about half as much in the morning under makeup than you do at night. And if you watched my last video about concealer, and I will link it for you here, if you watch that, I talked about putting moisturizer underneath your eyes. Check that out. Sometimes in the morning under makeup, especially in the summer, I'm using less moisturizer, but I'm still moisturizing around my eyes. So check out that concealer video so that you can see what I'm doing to make sure that my concealer doesn't crease, doesn't separate. But morning and night, I'm loving this. Paraben-free, phthalate-free, vitamin E, coconut oil, rosehip oil. This does it all. In just a minute, I have 2 questions for you. So I'll ask you those in just a second and ask you to go below this video and leave me a comment. But I think with the Palmer's, the skin therapy oil, for me at night, I'm using about a quarter size, skin, neck, décolleté. In the morning, I'm only using about a nickel's worth because I'm not putting as much on my face, but I am going around my eyes, and the rest of it is going on my neck and my décolleté. I love this for my travel bag. We just got back from vacation, and what was great is I could just take one thing with me, and it does everything that I need. I didn't need a morning moisturizer, an evening, of this for my eyes, of this for my neck, whatever. I could just take this. So I'm absolutely loving this. So if you're looking for something super cheap and cheerful, easy to find, again, I will leave you a link, something that does everything, I think you will love this. And I love what it is doing for my skin. I definitely think that it is helping with my fine lines and wrinkles, with my crow's feet. And I'm telling you, I just can't say enough good things about this. So under 10 bucks, I will leave a link below. And now I have 2 questions for you. I hope you enjoyed hearing about my new favorite product, perfect for mature skin, does it all, and under 10 bucks. I love this so much. Okay, so First of all, before I ask you my questions, I had the opportunity to try a line of products that's pretty new and everything is super affordable. Everything is under 25 bucks. I'm pretty sure that's going to be the next video that I make. So look for that. Great products, and some of them can kind of be used in conjunction with this to just rev it up just a little bit. So look for that video. Okay, I'm trying hard to make some shorter videos. I love talking to you. I feel like we're just sitting across from each other enjoying a cup of coffee. But I know that your time is very important, and sometimes you don't have time to sit and watch a video for 15 or 20 minutes. I want to know, first of all, what's your perfect length video? If you said, oh my gosh, I'm going to look on YouTube and see if I can find the answer to this question, what does that look like for you? What's the amount of video time? What does that look like for you? Let me know. Also, what are some of the things you'd like to see in a super quick video? Things that I can get on here, show you really quickly, one and done, and move on. Maybe giving you the opportunity to watch maybe more than one video in a sitting. So let me know, what are some suggestions that you have for some quick things that you would like to see in a video? Leave me all of your comments below this video. I appreciate you so much. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.